Good morning, student of class 10th. We were doing real numbers. Exercise 1.2 we have done. So today we will start exercise 1.3. Question number 1 is saying prove that root 5 is irrational. We have to prove how. So first we will assume that root 5 is a rational number. So let root 5 is rational. Therefore, root 5 is equal to a by b, where a and b both are co-primes. Now, on squaring both sides, so 5 is equal to a square upon b square. On squaring both sides. Now 5b square is equal to a square. First equation, since a square is divisible by 5, therefore a is also divisible by 5. Equation 2. Now let a is equal to 5c. So a square is equal to 25c square. Now from first equation, saying 5b square is equal to a square, so at the place of a square we will write 25c square. So 5b square is equal to 25c square. Now cancel it, so it will be b square is equal to 5c square. Cancel from 5, 5 is 5, 5 25. Now same case, b square is divisible by 5. Since b square is divisible by 5, therefore b is also divisible by 5. Second, so third. So from second and third, from equation 2 and 3, a and b both have common factor 5. Therefore, this contradicts that our assumption was wrong. So root 5 is irrational. Proved. Clear, students? Same way you will do question number 2 and 3. Next time we will discuss in next video. Thank you, class.